Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 23rd, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and I'm on the 1 hour time frame. So the US dollar yen, pretty sideways day, a little bit of up and down, very overlapping, very corrective, which makes me even more confident that we're in a pullback to this last move up. Now, I would expect it to go down to at least the 38 or the 50%, but if it does end up breaking structure to the upside, I would become bullish again for sure because of my higher time frame analysis being bullish. I still think we need to make a more proper three-way pullback to one of these lower Fibonacci levels. I think this is a wave B. I think the move up is a wave A, and I think maybe something like this is still pretty likely for a ABC pattern, which is likely an ABC of wave Z on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.